Hello, well, we have some very stormy weather this weekend, courtesy of Storm Darragh. This is our fourth named storm of the season, named by the Met Office. And we do have a Met Office yellow weather warning in force for the strength of the wind throughout the weekend until Sunday morning. Now, there could be gusts of 40 to 50 miles per hour quite widely inland. On the coast, gusts in excess of 60 miles per hour.
Well, good morning, folks. You join me down at the Secret Lake. And as you can probably see, yeah, the weather's changed our plans yet again. So we got Storm Darragh, which has rolled in from the west. So yeah, we've got a strong westerly wind. So the plans for me and James going down Lower Cookmere or Starlock or somewhere like that today has been blown out, literally. So yeah, I'm gonna have a go down here. First of all, I'm gonna try and get a bit of live bait and hopefully then get a pike or two. Fingers crossed. I know Ainsley's down at Buck's Hole today trying his luck, so yeah, I dare say we'll get a report from him saying he's caught one or two. But anyway, let me get my gear sorted and get set up. Well, I never thought I'd see that in November. Well, sorry, what am I on about? December. I've just chucked a bit of bread out and a carp has come up for it. Bloody hell. There it comes. There you go. Well guys, if all else fails, what I'll do is I'll stick a bit of bread on and I'll have a carp or two if I can. See another carp cruising out there. Just chucked out a bit of floating dog chum. I haven't got a lot with me, but yeah, look at him mopping up. Well guys, this is proving to be tricky again, so I'm using worm as a bait at the moment for live bait. I've got a tiny little roach in the net. Other than that, I haven't got anything yet, so I want to try and get a couple before I start pike fishing. Look, another one. I might get a rod tackled up with just a free line, a bit of bread. Right then folks, so I've finally got a live bait out. So you can see I've got a float out there. It's only a tiny little roach about that big. But yeah, we shall see. Right folks, that bloody weather. I've now got a bit of floating bread out there. I'm still float fishing for live bait, and I've got my pike live bait over there. All bases covered, so fingers crossed we'll have something. Fish on. The hook's come out and it's now in a tree. Oh, that weren't a bad common. F***ing hell. Bollocks. Oh. Oh, I don't bloody believe that. Never mind. Right, so I've got another bit of crust out there. We shall see. We shall see. another little carp out there mopping up. I've got my bait out over there though, so I might reel in and cast out. I don't know. Or do I leave it? He'll find it, won't he? Fish on! Well, there you go guys, not a big carp but a fish nonetheless, and I've never caught a carp off the top in December before. There we go. Right, we're putting back. And there he goes. Right folks, well that's a first for me. I've never caught a carp off the top in December before, so that's an achievement. Even though it weren't big and I lost that other one earlier, that nice common, that was a nice fish. But anyway, yeah, so a fish, not a blank, so that's one thing. Right, I've had nothing on me dead bait, so what I'm probably going to do is reel in and we go to a different swim. Right then guys, I've just moved into a new swim and there's a carp cruising out there, look, so I'm going to get a bit of bread out. I've got my live bait out there, so yeah, let's see. Right then folks, nothing going on here, so what I'm probably going to do is I might head down into that bay there where there's all the reeds and stuff like that. I think there's probably a good chance of a pike or something down there, so what I'll do is I'll get all my gear together and we'll head off down that way. Right then guys, so I'm in this swim, you can see here I've got a live bait out there and I'm just down here for some live bait, but yeah, I've shallowed it up because it is quite shallow here, but we'll give it a go. And the wind's blowing the float, as you can see. Yes, we'll give it, what's time now? 1:30. We'll give it half hour, 3/4 of an hour. I might go into the other swim where I've caught before. The only problem is the wind's hammering right into it, but yeah, we'll see, we'll see. Right then folks, so yeah, no luck in that swim. You can see I've got my float out there with a little live bait roach, and we'll give it a go for half an hour and then give it a go for half an hour and then probably call it a day. But anyway, Ainsley, he's fishing Buck's Hole today. He's had 3 but they've all come off, so yeah, he's had a bit of a mission today. But yeah, like I say, so far I would have blanked had I not caught that carp down there, and I'm just gutted that I lost that other one because that looked like a nice common, probably over £10 just, but yeah, never mind. Right, we'll sit it out here for a while. Oh my god, look, there's a deer over there. Oh wow. Gonna go, and there he goes the other way, look, round the lake, up and over. Oh, that's made this really special. That really has. You don't normally see deer like that. That's a big one as well, wasn't it? Male. Well, I don't know. Do females have antlers? Not sure. Only had one anyway, so. What do you call a deer with no eyes? No idea. What do you call a deer with no eyes and no legs? Still, no idea. Right then folks, so that's the end of the session. Excuse me. Yeah, so not a great success with the pike or perch, so nothing at all. Nout, as James would say. But anyway, I caught that little carp and I lost that other one. And we saw that deer, which is something I've not seen down there before. But anyway, thanks for joining me. I don't know where we're going to be next week, depends on this bloody weather, doesn't it? Right, and guys, thanks a lot. See you later.